Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin Belvoir Auto Spa, and I've got some new audio recording equipment, so give me some feedback. Let me know how this sounds. I'm going to start trying to record these types of videos. So this is going to be an unboxing of December's Glovebox. So we got the bottle out of the way. That's for one of their Glovebox Rx products. I'm going to show here in a second. So first we've got the auto fiber towel that they included. It's the, I forget what it's called. It's got 4 sides to it. I'm about to show right here. The quadrant, that towel, that's what it's called, the auto fiber quadrant wipe towel. It helps you keep track of which side of the towel you've already used, so that's pretty neat. I was pretty excited to see that. Next up, we've got Koch Chemie little key tag celebrating their new consumer line launch. I don't know what product that is. If you do, leave a comment down below. Let me know what product that is. And the next product here. So this is the new Glovebox Rx product, new to their lineup. This is their wheel and tire cleaner. So previously they got a wax, a waterless wash, a glass cleaner, and an interior cleaner. So it's nice to see something new added to the lineup. You can check out my video if you want to see the other products. Just search on my channel, Glovebox Rx. But this is the wheel and tire cleaner. This is how you do it. You put water in the bottle, you put the little cartridge in there, and you simply stick the bottle through, and you really got to twist it in there. Now these are proprietary design. I'm told it's designed just for the Glovebox Rx line, which is pretty neat. They give it a good crank down. Sorry that I'm blocking the shot here. But then you see it all just dispels in there, give it a nice little shake, and boom, there you go. Nice purple color, very reminiscent of a lot of wheel and tire cleaners, so I'm glad they stuck with that color. You know, I'll be doing a video on that to test it out. Next up, we've got Glovebox AeroTag air freshener. Pretty nice to see there. See how that smells. I haven't opened it up. Then we got Wizards Mystic Nano Wax Slick Wax. This actually smells pretty good. Wizards has been around for a long time. They've been in Glovebox before. I haven't personally tried it myself yet, but that's what Glovebox is all about, getting new stuff to test out. Made in the USA, and then they give you that little foam applicator you see to the left for it. And then Armor Detail Supplies glass coating. So funny story, I placed an order with them this morning, and I was almost going to order the glass coating. I didn't, and then when this got delivered, I checked it out, and things just work out nicely like that. So they give you their nice little saver applicator in there, 30 milliliters of glass coating. So there you go. I mean, that's a score right there in the Glovebox on its own. I mean, this Glovebox is pretty nice. But yeah, just getting that glass coating in there is pretty sweet. And here's the paper they include, a little explanation of everything. So their tire and wheel cleaner, the Mystic Nano Wax from Wizards. We've got the Armor Detail Supply glass towel or glass coating with the auto fiber quadrant wipe towel. The AeroTags reusable air freshener. That's interesting to know. A little Koch Chemie thing. It looks like they acquired Color Lock recently. And then the Viper energy drink. I almost forgot to do that, so then I went and grabbed it. It had been sitting in my fridge, and I cracked it open. Here, I crack it open in the video. Tasted it. And I won't say it tastes bad. It's definitely not what I'm used to. I drink Monster, Red Bull, things of that nature, the really sugary ones. This one, I believe, is a low on sugar. I didn't get a good look at that. Yeah, I think it might be no sugar actually, or no artificial flavors, sweeteners, or colors. The taste is very reminiscent of like raw fruit juice, I guess you could say. It's not exactly my cup of tea, but I'm not going to say it's bad. If you're looking for something less sweet, this is definitely the way to go. So that was pretty cool. I know a lot of us detailers chug energy drinks like there's no tomorrow. So be sure to check them out, guys. Website here, gloveboxdetail.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.